First cold start of the Mercury since the repairs were done. Let's see if it starts up. Almost. Uh-oh. Oh no. Guess we'll pump the ball a few more times here. That ball is hard. Oh yeah, she doesn't want to start today. Uh-oh. Try this throttle a little bit. She really doesn't want to start, guys. Hey guys, so I'm noticing right about here that it doesn't like cold starts. Wow. So it's got me wondering, was it running super lean? It's not running rich because it's not smoking. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the carburetors another turn out to see if that fixes my problem. Each carburetor has an air fuel screw. I had them turned about half a turn out or a turn and a half out. It seemed for me that 2 turns out really fixed the problem. All I did was make it run a bit richer so it would get more fuel on startup. Now this is how I fixed my problem. I can't guarantee this is going to fix everybody's problems. I would appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed. Have a great day, guys. I guess we'll go the long way here. Enjoy the views too. Whew.